Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can do your page setup of your Google Slides presentation, that how you can change your page ratio, how you can change your page size in your presentation. So let's start. So firstly, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after going to the Google Chrome, we need to open our presentation. After opening the presentation, we have to click on the file. So as you can see, it has the file option. So we have to click on the file. And after clicking on the file, as you can see, you will get the page setup option here. So we have to click on the page setup. And after clicking on this, as you can see, some sizes are provided here. Like these are the by default sizes. The standard, which is the ratio of standard is 4.3, and the wide screen 6.9, and the wide screen 6.10. You can choose anyone from them. If you want to create your own size from the custom, you can also do that. So I'm going to choose this wide screen 16.9. Now simply you have to click on the apply, and this will be applied to your all presentation, your all slides. So I'm going to click on the apply. So as you can see, now it will be applied. If you want to change this, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on the page setup and 4.3 and apply. So as you can see, now the slide size is changed. So in this way you can change your page setup. In this way you can change your page slide size. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.